Claude AI versus GitHub Copilot, best AI generator. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Claude AI and GitHub Copilot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Claude AI. Claude AI is built by Anthropic and is designed with safety and reasoning in mind. Pros of Claude AI: strong contextual understanding and ethical response generation. Great for writing, summarizing, and brainstorming ideas. Capable of coding help with clear explanations. User friendly chat interface. Designed with safety first principles. Cons of Claude AI: limited real time coding integration or IT support. Doesn't autocomplete code directly inside editors. Now, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is powered by OpenAI and integrates directly into code editors like VS Code. Pros of GitHub Copilot: works inside your code editor for seamless autocompletion. Excellent at suggesting entire code snippets and boilerplate. Increases productivity for developers. Supports multiple languages and frameworks. Context aware suggestions based on your code. Cons of GitHub Copilot: doesn't always explain the code it suggests, sometimes provides incorrect or insecure code. So that's basically the main differences are between Claude AI and GitHub Copilot, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.